story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.